Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to reduce BlueStacks RAM usage for multi-instance gaming. So guys, of course, in order to do this, also don't forget to be mindful of your resources of the computer. So for example, if you have not so much RAM, for example 16, or maybe even some of you guys might have 8 gigs of RAM, in 2026, be mindful, do not set the settings too high. I'm about to show you which ones. So guys, 3 lines right over here, click on them, go to settings. And guys, the very first thing we need, and the setting we need is actually under the first tab, which is performance. And in the memory allocation, as you can see, we will have this setting. So what does it do? It pretty much reserves a certain amount of your RAM memory for this emulator. So as you can see, I have a good computer, so I can set this as high as I want. But if you don't have so much RAM to spare, make sure to just choose 1 gig. Sorry, not 1 gig, standard 2 gigs. 1 gig is basic. It should be enough, but yeah, you might run into issues if you play games. Setting it to the basic is fine, or to 2 gigs is also fine. Set it to 4 if you have a lot of RAM. And then when you're done, press Save Changes, restart your emulator like this, save changes and then restart. And then you're good to go, and now you can game easily with no issues. That is it. Don't forget about this setting, performance and memory allocation. As always guys, like and subscribe if you enjoy our videos, if they are helpful, and thank you for watching.